In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shapes and lines in CapCut on your PC. Whether you're aiming to boost your video projects with a touch of creativity or just looking to highlight certain elements, adding shapes and lines can be an effective way to make your content stand out. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open CapCut on your PC. Once the program is up and running, either load an existing project if you're working on something specific, or go ahead and start a new project to experiment with these features. It's important to have your project ready, as this sets the stage for incorporating shapes and lines seamlessly into your video content. Next, navigate to the Elements tab located on the left sidebar of the interface. The Elements tab is your go-to place for accessing a variety of shapes, lines, and other visual enhancements that CapCut offers. By focusing on this section, you will have a versatile range of options to choose from, tailored for different creative needs and project requirements. Once you've accessed the Elements tab, take a moment to browse through the available Lines and Shapes category. Within this section, you'll find an array of shapes ranging from rectangles and circles to arrows and more. If you're aiming for something specific and your desired shape isn't immediately visible, don't hesitate to use the search function. This can quickly pinpoint exactly the shape you need, optimizing your workflow and saving valuable time. After finding the perfect shape for your project, simply click on it. This action will add the selected shape directly to your timeline, positioning it in your video preview. It's a straightforward process that integrates the shape into your project effortlessly, setting the groundwork for further customization. Now that your shape is placed within the timeline, it's time to adjust it to fit your vision. Utilize the resize handles to modify the shape size to your liking. You can easily drag the shape around to position it precisely where it needs to be on your video. This step is crucial for ensuring your shape complements the overall layout of your content without overpowering other important visual elements. To bring even more life to your shape, consider adding animations. By selecting the shape, a panel will appear with an option labeled Animate. Clicking this will reveal various animation styles such as fade, scale, and slide. Choose an animation style that aligns with the mood and pace of your video. Animations can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your project, engaging your audience more dynamically. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to incorporate and customize shapes and lines in CapCut on your PC. Experimenting with these tools can elevate the quality and engagement of your video content. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!